welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya Games and Northeast Games to be held in Meghalaya this year. Lightcore Parish installs bust in memory of late Archbishop Dominic Jala SDB. Hito urges state government to legalize selling and import of cows from Assam to Meghalaya. And Meghalaya police seized huge quantity of illicit liquor during raid of Manikganj and Rari Bazaar in Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bante Dorlingdo yesterday informed that the Meghalaya Games will be held in May this year and November this year. The Sports Minister disclosed at the 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Champion organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, as part of the Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya full statehood. Speaking as the chief guest, Meghalaya Speaker Medbalingdo said,
"I'm glad to learn that around 1939 men and 39 women's teams are going to be participated in this Senior National Table Tennis Championship with from different places of the country and are taking part in this tournament, which I have been informed that around 450 participants, if I'm not wrong, you are here today to participate along with all your coaches, your managers, your technical people and others who are accompanying the different teams from different states.
To perpetuate the loving memory of late Archbishop Dominic Jala SDB of the Catholic Shillong Archdiocese, who passed away to the heavenly abode in a car accident in the USA, Lightcore Parish on Easter Sunday witnessed the installation of the bust of late Archbishop Dominic Jala SDB of the Catholic Shillong Archdiocese. The bust of Archbishop Dominic Jala was installed beside the bust of a multifaceted personality of Salesian priest, Father Silvanus Lingdo, who was a great Nyotrab literator, scholar, linguist, theologian, to mention a few. The bust to perpetuate the loving memory of Archbishop Dominic Jala was blessed by Father Paul Olincott, SDB Provincial of the Shillong Province. The occasion was graced by the presence of the family members of late Archbishop Amit Mauri, priests and religious, and as well as the faithful of Lightcore. The bus was sponsored by Mr. Amit Mauri. The socio-cultural organization did all the beautification of the place. During the afternoon, there was a grand Easter celebration in which all the people of the parish took part in the traditional dances of different tribes of the Khasi Jantia. His Grace Archbishop Victor Lingdo graced the occasion in the presence of the MLA of Nongkram constituency, Lambor Malnyang. The social organization Hito today urged the state government to legalize the selling and import of cows from Assam to Meghalaya. This issue was brought to the notice of Meghalaya Principal Secretary of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, GHP Raju, during the meeting of the members of Hito with him. Raju assured them that he would try his best to see that this issue is taken by the Meghalaya cabinet.
GHP Raju, the Principal Secretary and Governatory, niat sesat, but kila ay ka usuran supa hau benai BFAS, senai korun, te kinsa pasai cabinet, but menlah penuh kerikam nak ia kaneka, jing wan kai masih asam sini. Perikitan kam tang kawai ka ki katuk kat lagi keperwak kata ka ain tinjak masih, te ki mentai ka bypass week jungme te kamat lah.
A police team of Mendhi Patar Police Station and Rari have seized a huge quantity of illicit liquor while conducting the raid at Manikganj and Rari Bazaar. The miscreants who took advantage of the festive season of Easter and Bihu celebrations tried to sell the liquor illegally, but these illegal activities were foiled due to prompt action of the police. The police, while performing their duties, were able to control rash driving and unruly behavior during these festive seasons. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.